The brown bear is a large bear with the widest distribution of any bear species. This tutorial will guide you to draw a cute brown bear eating honey with a spoon. First, draw a circle, which will form the bear's head. Draw the bear's nose and mouth on the right of the circle. Extend a U shape under the cycle, which will form the bear's body. Draw the ears with C shapes. Sketch arms and hands for the bear. Add the sitting legs. Erase the guides from the circle and the surrounding shape. Detail the texture of the face and body. Place honey on the bear's left hand. Draw a curve under the mouth to the right leg to highlight the bear's belly. And draw some water drops on the belly to highlight the texture of the bear's hair. Color in this brown bear.